Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and we're going to be changing this W212 OM651 serpentine or V-belt this morning. So first thing we've got to do is remove this cover. At this stage, take a picture of your belt layout so that you've got this for future reference. And what I mean by that is follow where the belt goes. If it goes over certain pulleys, etc., or round stuff, as you can see, it's it goes quite a journey around here, to put it sort of politely. Weirdly, you need a 12-point 17mm socket. It just goes on that bit there. There you go, so push that down. And we're just going to take the belt off. Try and take your socket back off. Also, don't bin the belt just in case the new one you've ordered is the wrong size, so just keep this for the time being. The old belt and the new belt, just go like that, just to make sure they are the same size, because sometimes they do send the wrong ones, and then we're just going to fit the new belt. There's a link in the comments to Do Not Ignore That Noise. That's my book on how to do basic car maintenance and look after your car and pass MOTs. So we're going to thread it round the alternator first, because that seems to be the most awkward bit. So if you hold the belt in position like that, we should be able to just get it over. Go. So get this bit up here, like that. So as you can see, it's all round everything. We're just going to pull as much slack as we can around here, and then we're just going to put the ratchet on there, on the tensioner, like we did earlier. Pull this in and push the belt round, and then we're just going to work it on all the teeth. Nice, and then we're just going to check that all... And this is exactly why we check now rather than later. Sweet, so as you can see, all the teeth are lined up. Make sure you pay particular attention to every single pulley. So the alternator down there, the water pump itself on the top, and then make sure the crankshaft is between the two lines. All these pulleys around here, it's all got all four teeth along all of them. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more W212 OM651 Mercedes videos. It's my dad's car, so there's going to be plenty of maintenance I'm going to be doing on this in the future.